Hi YouTube, welcome to all my videos. Today we're looking at the 1.5 horsepower Hercules Hit and Miss engine. I bought it last year around about August. This type of model was made from 1921 to about 1926, I think, roughly around that sort of time. Don't know the exact age of this one, but like I said, it is around that sort of period. When I bought it, the trolley was a bit knackered on it really, so it was time to build a new trolley. I was going to film making the new trolley, but I came over here and everything forgot my camera, so that was the plans of the day, to get the trolley built, so I'm sorry I didn't film one of making it. The trolley is made out of 4B 3-inch timber. The length of the trolley is 1 metre, so it's 2 skids at 1 metre long. The timber which the engine is mounted to is 3-inch by 2-inch, and that's 1 foot wide, the trolley is. Got 8-inch size cast on wheels, 4-spoke ones. When I bought the engine it had little like 6-inch wheels on it. Didn't really suit it any good, and plus the little wheels said made in England and the engine is a US engine. So I went to a show last year and managed to pick these set of matching 4 wheels up for about 30 quid. Quick wire brush down a coat of paint, painted them green because I'm a bit fed up with all the wheels being black, just fancy a bit of a change. The green is a bit of a different tone to the engine, which I wasn't too keen on first off, but I think just breaks it. Quite solid axles on it. This bolt goes right down to the axle, also that bolt goes down to the axle. That's the same on all 4 mounting points on each corner of the engine. This foot long piece which is mounted onto the 3 foot long skids, also that bolt goes from there right down into the bottom. It just goes in between that little slanting bit of the axle, so it is quite a strong trolley. Used a chop saw on the ends to get nice square ends. Got the chop saw with the laser light on it, so it gives you perfect, you can set it up, get the laser on it, and you can also get your square out and make sure it is going to cut it straight, and the laser is bang on. After I'd done that I sanded it down, and then I thought I'd have a little go at the router, so we've gone around all the edges with just a rounded edge of the router. It's had 6 coats of stain, keep sanding and put a coat and sand and coat sort of thing. The last couple of coats, just put them on, I didn't bother sanding in between those 2. Yacht varnish, gave 1 watered down coat of white spirit, let that dry for 12 hours. Went with the next coat with the fully proper yacht varnish as it is, left that dry all overnight, and then give it a gentle wet and dry, and then give it another thin down white spirit with yacht varnish so it gets a nice smooth finish. The engine's got quite a bit of weight in it actually. It looks quite light to pick up, and there's some weight in it to move it. It took 2 of us to lift it across from the old trolley to the new one. It was a bit heavy, but we managed to do it. I'm hoping to take it to a little crank up this weekend. I cleaned it all up today, polished it all up, done all the metal work, brass work, also repainted the mag bits black. They weren't a bit dull and rusty. So I might give it a little quick flick overview if it does want to start. I don't know what it's going to be like. So that's the 1.5 horsepower Hercules hit and miss engine. Just fired up quite easy actually for a change. So I'm quite looking forward to taking it out for this weekend for a little crank up. It's only for a few hours on Sunday morning. So we'll just give it a little crank up and see what happens down there. I've took it to a couple shows last year. I only took it to 2, and as soon as I fired out in the morning it ran all day and didn't stop at all, so till it ran out of fuel. So it is quite a reliable little engine actually. So thank you for watching this video YouTube. So join me again, I'll probably do another video after the crank up this weekend. So thanks for watching, cheers and good night.